If you want to fix FaceTime icon not working on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, confirm the contact information, meaning go to your contact and make sure that they have the video option already allowed, and that means that they are using an iPhone or they're using an Apple device. Okay. Step two, what you're gonna do, you need to check the FaceTime settings. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, go to apps, type FaceTime. All right. What you're gonna do, you're gonna turn it off and reopen it again, and make sure that you go to your contacts again and make sure that the video option is still there. Now, next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna review the screen time restrictions. Go ahead to the settings and then go to the screen time. All right, and here, click the screen time, scroll a little bit down to the content and privacy restrictions, right? And make sure that you go to allowed apps and features, right? And make sure that you turn off the FaceTime and reopen it again and go back to your screen to apply the settings. And if you went to your contacts right here, you're gonna see the video option is on. Next, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna reset the network settings. Go to your main settings and then go to the general, scroll a little bit down to transfer or reset iPhone. Not here. Click right here, click reset, and you're gonna reset the network settings, right? And that should fix your problem by clicking reset network settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone and basically restart your device again, and that your iPhone will be updated. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, go to the last step, which is check in if there is any new update. Go to the general software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.